Today I will be getting drunk. I hope you enjoy. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? In this episode we shall be sampling 6 bottles of Marcon Villages 2013 Le Cote Blanche. I've had this for quite a while now and haven't got round to unboxing it, and I said, hang on, that doesn't feel like wine. This is the weirdest bottle of Sauvignon Blanc I have ever seen in my life. It looks remarkably more like a Hoover Dustette Model 100, and that, folks, is because it is a Hoover Dustette Model 100. Yes, this is a little refurb project that one of my lovely viewers asked me if I could do, and bought it on eBay, and here it is, and wow! It is a veritable mix of non-originality. Now, I will come clean, these are the easiest machines to buy, very good condition, with the original box and the manual. You'll pay 20 quid. So, this is here now. But actually, the thing that makes it look most stupid is the white cable, but in its favour, it is a ribbed white cable. So all of a sudden, the fact that I'm going to put a very nice length of black cable on this, so it more matches the bag, possibly, means that I then can keep this cable for a machine that would be more befitting of it. We do have a lovely Volex. Do like a nice Volex. It's not chipped. Most of the time these smash off. Very, very common plug in the UK. But before we go any further, literally at all, I is going to find myself a screwdriver and just check that that's not hiding anything more sinister before we go on. That could be better. And I was right, it could be a lot better indeed. Again, little Becco top tip there. If you do buy a random cheap bunch of rubbish from eBay, you really should pop the plug open and check. Just because that's such a simple way of not killing yourself, man. Honestly. And I unravelled the cable because I would have had to do it on camera. Anyway, this bit I think is original because they weren't all painted. These went through so many design revisions, so many changes that not even I fully know which one was original, but you know, the handle must be an early one, look, because of the script. The Hoover logo. And I've also just noticed, look, it's been serviced by Hoover at Blackpool. Whitegate Drive, Blackpool. Must have been a Hoover dealer there. I think it's an early one, you know, because that switch is original, but I haven't seen one like that before. Brushes at the back are in. Oh, they're not even there. The brushes at. Let me just tip this light up. There we are. The brushes there are in very good condition. I can make it vomit out dust though. This bag is very, very full indeed, and this isn't a genuine bag, I don't think. Whether it's a genuine Hoover replacement bag, maybe, but it's certainly not the original bag for this. Hello. I've never seen anything stamped there before. 949 TC7. That's, where are we? I can't really show you very easily. That's what the ratings plate looks like. Gosh, it is an early one. Look at that, an Empire product. Okay. Oh wow. I think, actually, the boy did do good. But what I am going to do, it's too late at the time of filming this to fire at Benji, so I'm going to go and shake this out in the black bin and pop back. Wow, that's an impressive amount of vintage dust, and I'm certainly not going to turn this on without the bag present. Bear with. There we go, that's better. That's fine. Ugh. I wonder which way around the bag actually goes, because I know that, yes, that way around. So that's the top. It's on upside down on the collar then? No, wait, that's, yeah, it's that's at the top. That should be hidden at the bottom. Oh, actually should it, because on the Dustette that is hidden. Oh, I don't know, that's not on anyway. Oh, blimey. How do we do this? Is it missing a... Oh, is it missing a peg? 1, 2... Bugger. It's missing its third locating peg. I think I've got a spare bag window, so that's not the end of the world. It's flaking off its paint, but... Oh, goodness. I don't want to turn this on without this bit present. No. Right, there you go. I'll twist it a bit further. This flaking paint is fine. Bit of gloss black and some lacquer on there and on the top. Not quite going to send it off for the full Hoover Lux, but again, a bit of auto sol on there will work fine. It's probably time to see if it works, isn't it? And to do that, we're going to turn it on there. And I'm going to hold the plastic plug with the nice Marbo fuse in it. Stand back a little bit. Oh, maybe that's wrong. Hello? Wow! That's some impressive puffage, folks. That's... Don't know if we quite captured that. Now I know it's safe to hold. Boing! Oh, doesn't it sound lovely? Something's not quite right, but then again, these are so simple to work on, I'm not too fussed. And again, I've got a spare one of these in the shed. So if it needs a fan, it can have a fan. That's... By the end of this video, I've dated this because I've got the service manual. But first, we're going to make a little bit of a mess and do a little Dustette mess test. Because as unloved as these are, they are also quite good. Okay, they're not Dyson V11 with the small turbo brush good, but they're good. And I've had this broken meter filter. This came in via Facebook. She says it wasn't working. And what's happened is, look, it snapped its clip. And when she turned it on, it was a C3 cat and dog. This pushed itself up, knocked the bag door up. So I fitted her just a normal air clean, which she said thank you very much, because I only charged her 15 quid. And I've had this knocking around. And this seems like the ideal time to use it, because it's full of bits of carbon. Because it's the carbon fancy high-end. Well, I thought I'd cut through all that as well. It's the fancy high-end active air cleaner. So there's all the carbon particles. Oops. Just literally, you could... Do I have any paper? Yes. You know what, we got the box. Oh no, they don't work quite like a pencil. Oh well, never mind. Basically, well, sure... You know the drill. Hello. That wasn't too bad. I mean, these are clunky at the best of times. They're very good for stairs and chairs, but obviously on the floor, you rub that against the floor, so you you can't tip it back. Obviously, I can't really wind the cable up either. So yeah, I think it is a very early one from 1949. A, because of what it says on there. B, because the service manual, which I have a copy of, thanks to Mr. John Hewitt, who I think was the original scannee. Don't know what the G bit means, but 20,000, that's in between 10 and 40. It all adds up. If it wasn't for that white piping, I think that was genuine. Again, tell me in the comments, because I don't know. But it suits it. And you know what? That's actually, as much as we laughed at it when we opened it, I mean, we need to replace that bolt with a screw. That's not going to be the worst thing in the world. And I have another bag ring in the shed. Probably keep the black bag. I've got nothing better for it. But with a little bit of a polisher, nice repaint, which I cannot do anytime soon at the time of filming this. I'm filming this in June. And in June in Oxfordshire, it's been cloudy or rainy. Not the ideal time when I've got lots of stuff I want to retro paint and lots of stuff I want to paint. Hey diddly ho. So, there we go. Thank you very much for watching. The next time you see this, it should look almost showroom fresh. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.